Hola, my friends, straight from Brazil to the world. Welcome to Boosted Man. Subscribe to Boosted Man, like this video, and share it with your friends. Today's subject is extremely important. What pushes a woman away without you realizing it? Many men lose great opportunities without knowing why. They think everything is fine, but suddenly she becomes distant. Attraction is fragile, and small mistakes can push her away. Here are 10 silent killers that destroy attraction without you noticing. First, lack of confidence. Women feel when a man doubts himself. Avoiding eye contact, speaking with insecurity, or hesitating too much shows weakness. Confidence is silent power. Without it, attraction fades quickly. Second, poor grooming. You don't need to be perfect, but dirty nails, messy hair, or sloppy clothes send the message that you don't respect yourself. If you don't care about you, why should she? Cleanliness and style matter more than you think. Third, talking only about yourself. A man who dominates the conversation with endless stories and achievements looks selfish. Attraction grows when you listen, ask, and make her feel interesting. If it is always about you, she feels invisible. Fourth, being too available. Saying yes to everything, canceling your plans for her, or texting constantly looks needy. Women admire men with purpose, not men with empty time. Balance is attractive, obsession is not. Fifth, negative energy. Complaining, criticizing, and spreading pessimism kills attraction instantly. Women want a man who lifts the atmosphere, not one who drags it down. Positivity is a magnet. Negativity is poison. Sixth, no ambition. You don't need to be rich, but if you show no goals, no direction, and no hunger for growth, she sees no future with you. Ambition is fuel for respect. Without it, she loses interest. Seventh, disrespect in small things. Being rude to waiters, showing impatience with strangers, or ignoring basic manners reveals character. A gentleman wins silently with respect. Small acts of disrespect push her away faster than words. Eighth, lack of boundaries. A man who tolerates everything, accepts everything, and never says no becomes weak in her eyes. Boundaries create respect. Without them, she sees no strength in you. Ninth, overexposure. Sharing every detail of your life, every problem, or every emotion too soon kills mystery. Attraction needs curiosity. If she already knows everything, there is nothing left to discover. 10th, forgetting to be masculine. Masculinity is not aggression. It is presence, stability, and leadership. If you constantly ask for permission, avoid responsibility, or act without conviction, she feels she cannot rely on you. A man without masculine energy loses her silently. These are the silent killers of attraction. Small actions that seem normal but destroy interest over time. The good news is that once you identify them, you can change. Women respect men who value themselves, live with ambition, and protect their boundaries. Subscribe to Boosted Man, like this video, and share it with your friends. Here you will learn how to become a man of value, a gentleman, and someone who lives with confidence and purpose. Stay tuned for the next video.